weather's perfect. No wind problems or anything else. We're not going to look at me for much longer because it's really not fun. Anyway, I'm showing you this because this is what makes you stay in a place like this. Now, having said that, anyway, yes. Now, morning ritual is we turn the water on for flower bed, the goji berries, and we'll give the misting or the watering system an opportunity to do its job. We got up to well over 125 degrees the other day. Yesterday was about 120. What's funny is I didn't realize I was having a problem until I got in the house and sat down for a little while, and then all of a sudden I had a real problem. And I recovered, and now everything is fine. And I can see I'm going to have to change something there. The spot splitter system that we put in on these bags is working a little better than we wanted it to at the moment. So we'll have to make adjustments as we go along. The tomato plants are looking pretty good. Ones up here seem to be happy. Our squash and our cucumbers, these are cucumbers by the way, are looking really good. Flowering everywhere, growing. Not too damaged by the heat. Anyway, getting too much water here, partner. Anyway, we will have to make adjustments, I guess. And some of this in order to get what we're trying to get. Yeah, that's a little better. As you can see, the beans are suffering a little bit because that corner gets very hot. I'm going to have to make some changes. These few of these pepper plants that get in the late afternoon sun so dramatically are having problems. So this is what you have to do, is figure out what's working and what's not. Most everything was looking all right. My one pepper plant here and my tomato plant are still recovering. Hopefully they will come back. Watering system, which was all brown and murky, is now clear water. The basil is doing good. These tomato plants are good. All of these are doing good. Anyway, I need to go through and do the things that still have to be hand watered, which is primarily this row here, these over here. As I get the benches finished and get everything in its place, I'll tie the watering system to it. But we can see already that we are getting too much water in some places and not enough in others. These bags up here are getting more water than they need. So I'm going to have to figure out a better system for that. Of course, it's just putting most of the extra water down in there. Now this one here was constantly too wet. I had to pull the system out of it entirely. The squash has got one in it, and it seems to be doing all right. The beans are doing pretty good. But like I say, that one's suffering from the afternoon heats coming right through here. So I'm going to have to do something to, may have to add another screen to it. But we won't know until we try. Now, The original misting system was a piece of PVC with the little brass misters in it, and it didn't work. It plugged up so fast it wasn't funny. I put these in the other day, yesterday and day before. Originally I just put in these three here, and they did all right. But I added this one over here to get more coverage over there, and it brought the temperature down about 5 degrees in about 5 minutes, which was really a great help. So anyway, thanks for watching.